All right, within this section, I get into the NAP, the name, address, phone number. So for a local listing, it's critical that the format of the address that's found within the Google local listing is matching up with the address provided within a contact page on a website or within the footer. So this website didn't have it located, so I thought, okay, I'll take a look at this link, Our Stores, and so I can see that they have 4 locations. And what you would do in this case, if your client has multiple locations like this one, is you would create one Google My Business listing for each location. Because like I said, the address needs to match up with what's available on the website. And so each location would have its dedicated page. And you can see that they've done this here. So they have the four different store locations, the 4 different Google My Business listings, each with their separate address. And it's important to Google that it be this way because the comments have to do with the service, the product service that the person is receiving at that location. That's kind of the idea behind that multiple listing. And it's important that the addresses match up because this tells Google that they're related. Otherwise, Google just cannot, put the 2 pieces of information together as easily. So Fresh Air Experience, we'll take a look. And we see the format there. So it was street, ST, period, and then West wasn't spelled out. It was just the W. And so we see that is exactly the way that they've entered it into the website, and that's what we want with that consistency. And there was a bit of duplication there. I'm not sure why. But if this was my client, I would be saying, yes, this is good. We're good to go. So the call to action for this section is to verify the NAP for your client on their Google My Business listing and making sure it matches up to the website. If there's already a Google My Business listing that's being managed and it's been in existence for a while, go with that format and change the format that's on the website because we don't want to send signals to Google that things are not what we reported to them originally. So it's easier to just change it on the website. So nobody cares whether it's STW on the website, right? But Google does care that what's on the Google My Business listing is exact match on the website. So with that, I'll leave you to it and I'll see you in the next section.